Welcome to CTclockwises channel, short and concise tutorial video so you can just practice right after watching. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Today we will go through 7 small steps to color our pupils and make them look sparkling. First, begin by putting the shadow under the lashes. I start by using blue so that the eyes will look brighter. Then I will add gray for the shadow. Use your main color to paint the pupil from the top and leave the bottom part blank. I don't make the line out here as I like the blurry effect that appears. Third, draw a dark dot at the center. Fourth, blur top half of the dot. Fifth, add color pencil for darker and sharper dot. Sixth, add highlight all over the lashes and inside the pupil. Seventh, add extra color at the center to make it more colorful. Leave a comment on what helps you the most from this clip and I will pin my favorite comment on top. The link of the equipment can be seen in the description below. Since I will get a small fraction of commission from each purchase, I would really appreciate it if you would like to support. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you next time. Bye!